Okay, everyone remember, serpentine.
Yeah, serpentine. We got it. We got it.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. How did this happen? TCI doesn't have any weapons.
What? Give him the real gun! Sorry, I didn't know he had that thing!
Christ! Let's go!
It's only a complaining! I'm sorry!
You're an idiot, Buzz!
Sorry! I'm sorry!
Okay, Lisa, we're seizing the studio in the name of Political Playhouse so we can run hours upon hours of Playhouse programming. Now, we don't want to hurt anybody, so you can join us or you can leave. You can take off.
Oh, TCI, let's get naked.
Okay, let's wait till we secure the building, and then we'll do the nude thing, okay? I promise.
Let's go clean those fuckers out of the booth, man. Come on, All right. We get hot.
Go, would you shut up?
God, Buzz.
Scott, we're taking over the studio in the name of Political Playhouse. Now, we don't want anybody to get hurt, so you can either join us or you can leave.
Philip, I'll do neither. What you're doing is against TCI policy. You must stop this action at once or I'll cancel your series.
You don't understand. We're in charge now. We have the weapons. We can do what we want. We don't need you anymore.
No, man! I'll fucking kill him, man!
Will you mellow out? Will you just mellow out? Go ahead, just tie him up.
Hey! The premises are secured. We can transmit now.
Okay, get rid of that TV evangelist out there, from Access. They're one of the last remnants there. All right.
Okay, it's going to take me about an hour to get the studio.
Well, I got a best of roll. You can roll this. We'll spell for time, okay?
And